Alright guys, so welcome back. We are now walking to our destination. I'm with my pops, he's in the back. Let's just say it's very busy today. You can hear all the crane and geese and we're gonna see if you catch anything. I don't know. It's supposed to be really sunny today. There's boats just about everywhere. I'm gonna talk to you guys about colors, fly colors. Do they matter? We're here to find out. I brought a few just to try it out. We'll go from there, so stay tuned. Alright, so before it gets too busy here, like there's a lot of cars and like people coming by, which is fine. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but we're out here throwing flies, right? And in this video, it's gonna be more of a explanation. I'm gonna try to catch fish for you guys too. I have 3 batteries. I totally forgot my GoPro chest mount thingy, so I can't really record on my GoPro, but just understand that we're out here fishing for walleyes and white bass, right? We're casting into the middle of the river, making really far casts, like as far as you can. You're drifting in those pockets. I'm using 1-ounce pencil sinker. I have a 7-foot leader, right, with 2 flies, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about, is there a go-to color? The go-to colors for me are red, purple, chartreuse, you know, I'll throw it in there, but my humble opinion, red and purple is like the go-to color, right? As you can see here, I have a red on, right? Well, you guys can see it too clear, but it's wet right now, so it looks dark, but that's what it does, right? It darkens up the profile a little bit. It's red and greenish, right, with the accent with some flash. And then this one right here, I just have a green, right? I have 2 purples only, so I don't want to break off too soon yet, but this is straight up green, okay? I don't know if you guys see that, but it's green. So when you come out here, you look at the water condition. The darker the water, the more solid you want the color to be, right? If the water's a little clear, then now, you know, I'll go green and maybe whitish. Just something more natural in general, right? Just something a little more natural. We're gonna go ahead and fish and see if I can show you guys. So stay tuned. And yes, I don't have my tripod, so y'all on my backpack. All right. Oh, jeez. There goes my camera. It fell. Yep. Belua. Belua. Jerry. Alright, Dad got something big on. Hold on. Dad got a big one on. See what it is. Big fish. Big fish. Oh, it's a sheephead. Oh, there he goes. See you, buddy. It's a very short window. Let's see if we can get it. Now watch out for this branch right here too. Yeah, this wind is cooking now. All I'm doing is I'm holding that line really still as much as I can. So it's a little challenging now because the wind is pulling my line so fast. There you go. There's a calm window right here. Calm window. There we go. Oh, I got the tree. Crap. Oh man. There he goes. Nope, still up there. That's exactly what I was afraid of right here. I ain't climbing that tree, that's for sure. There he goes, nice. Yep, just gotta crawl it down. Let's try it again. There we go. Felt that one. And just like that, guys, just death stick it. It's a low guy, but still, it works. Let's see what color it is. It's a really small guy. Yep, small white bass, so we'll keep it. Come here. Little white bass. And you know, as I'm fishing, yeah, there's the argument that depending which day, they do focus on certain colors, but that's really up to you, you know, that's something you gotta figure out. I always have a few colors, at least a handful of colors tied up, but my go-to colors that I trust the most, right, are purple, red, chartreuse, and I got a fish, right, just like that. So you have to go with the color that you're most confident in. There's a better white bass too. So let's see. And so far, all the fish are eating on green. They're crushing green. And these little white bass are very delicious. You guys don't know. They taste really good. You just deep fry the whole thing and eat a whole, basically. So, yep, we're gonna be keeping it. My dad wants them. But as I was saying, you know, go with the color you're most confident in. You know, there are go-to colors that I know of. Like I said, like red and purple are really good for walleye and white bass fishing. Like pink is just one of the, oh, I just had fish. Pink is one of those colors, like, it just comes in plush, man. You gotta have a few of those in your pocket. But so far, green. They're munching on green. My dad has like a darker green bluish, so it's something with the green that they're keen on, that they see better today. That's why we tie two, right? A lot of you guys ask like, why do you have two flies? Why do you use two flies? Just to up the chance, you know, just to see which color they go after more, you know. I have a red and I have a green. So far, green it is. So if that red doesn't get any strike, then obviously you know to switch it out. Maybe go darker, maybe go lighter, I don't know. But that's what makes it fun. You just gotta keep playing around with the color until you find that consistent like bite, that color bite. Oh yeah, they will key on to every freaking drift you do when you cast it out there. So the wind died down a little bit. We're gonna see if they pick this up. I'm in the pocket right now. God, oh, what? That was fast. Those are white bass. I got a big one on. And of course the warden shows up. Somebody probably called warden thinking that we're keeping illegal sized walleye, but we're just keeping white bass. And I knew that was gonna happen too. Hey, look at this walleye right here. That's a nice walleye. Yep, it's not 18. That's for sure. Yeah, you bit off of that red. It's a nice little 15-incher. There you go, catch and release. Nice. Good.
A lot of little ones, huh?
Yeah, a lot of little ones. Well, let me guess. Somebody called you?
Nope. Just checking licenses. Just checking licenses.
I was gonna say, yeah, we're keeping a bunch of white bass. But
Oh, that's fine.
yeah. That's funny, guys. I'm pretty sure one of the people on the boat called the DNR on us because they saw us keeping those little white bass. They probably thought they were like small walleyes, and the DNR shows up in like 30 minutes. I knew it too. As soon as they saw us do that, I knew he was gonna show up. So it's all good. We're not doing anything illegal, you know. We're not breaking no law, so it's all good. So I know my regulation. Keep a short walleye like that, you know. We're keeping small white bass, maybe a sheephead if you do catch one. Because here's the thing too, right? If he was out here just checking license, why did he check my dad's basket, you know? And he even walked to my bucket, he looked at it, which is fine, he's doing his job, right? It's not the DNR's fault. So I find it pretty funny, and I got a fish. Look at that, more white bass. Oh no, this is a walleye. It's getting closer, I can see it now. Yep, on the green again. Yeah, all on green, guys. All on green. Oh, right here. This is the window right here. Come on. I'm in the pocket. I can feel it. I can feel it right here. Got him. Crushing it. Both guys are just staring at us. That's a walleye right there. My hands are sore, dude. Oh, and it popped off. It's a walleye. Whew, that walleye bit a long ways. Way out there. Oh, we got another one. Yeah. Catching a lot of fish today, man. It's gonna be a 50+ fish again. Hey, it's a white bass. Little white bass. Let this one go. Got another one. Man, they're loaded in here, guys. My arm is sore, dude. And it's a white bass. Yeah. On the green again. Little white bass. Little eater right here. I'm just gonna throw it on the ground. Gonna be dinner tonight anyways. My arm is sore, guys. It's really sore. I got like 20 fish already. Got another one. Man, they're loaded, dude. There's so much fish in here. It's crazy. Another white bass. Oh, it's a better one too. It's a better white bass. Stay on, stay on. Surface it. That is a nice white bass. Oh, on the red. Look at that. On the red. So these little ones right here are freaking delicious, man. There we go. I'm just like thousands of them. There's so many. So got him. That's a nice fish. Probably another short walleye. Dude, I dead stick that thing and I just felt it to my spine, man. I love that feeling so much. Oh, what is it? Here's a white bass. And it's a white bass. Double of the year, guys. Check it out. No wonder it felt so heavy, man. 2 in 1. Little baby white bass for dinner. That's so cool. Bro, a frog. What the heck? Get your ass over here. We got a frog, dude. Nice. Where'd you come from? Bro, you got claws, man. Feel kind of creepy. Alright, our boy's trying to go. See ya, buddy. Bro, look at him. Go. I'm going to my backpack, buddy. You look kind of weak there. Keep going. Fine, I'll help you out. Let me help you out, bruh. Alright, there he goes. You got one. I think it's a walleye. The boats are coming closer and closer, bro. Oh, they see the shore guys just crushing it. They're coming closer and closer. You got a little walleye. On the red. Ooh, that's a nice one. Got a fish, guys. That's a nice walleye. Much better fish. I wonder if it's a drum. Oh yeah, it's a sauger. Absolutely inhaled it. Wow. Here we go. Nice little pretty sauger right here. No, they're not saw guys. They are saugers. Okay, saw guys look different. See you, buddy. Alright guys, so we're in the car now and figure I'd talk to you guys here because it just makes more sense, right? Out there it was just kind of hectic, it was windy, stuff going back and forth. I get it, right? And I was trying to like focus and catch fish too, but like I was saying in the video, most of the time the colors that I go with that works really well, purple and red is like my go-to color. And I don't have a complete red on here, but you guys know the color red. And this is my purple right here, right? It might have to cover right there. That's the purple right there. I hand tied these flies. We call them flies. A lot of fly fishermen are like, no, they're not. They're called something else. It's flies to us. Where we fish and we've been calling it for the longest. They're called flies to us, like river flies, pumping flies, whatever, right? Green is also a very good color today, as you can see in the video. Green was really good, right? Here's the green. And here's the chartreuse, right? This is the other chartreuse that I have. This is the only one I have in my tackle box. I don't want to lose it, so if you're wondering, yes, colors do play a role where you're fishing, right? With the water, if the water is dirtier, then solid colors are good, right? Purple, red. But when the water clears up a little bit, there's not much current, the sun is setting a little higher, you want to go something more natural. I don't have the natural color here on me, but it's more like a white and brown, or maybe a lighter purple, maybe a lighter pink, something like that. It just works that much better when it's like a clear, natural presentation, right? It kind of looks like a minnow in the water or a baby bluegills, whatever they're feeding on. So today I learned that green was the better color. I tried purple, I tried chartreuse earlier, and I tried red and green, and then green, right? And green, hands down, the white bass, the walleyes, the sauger you guys saw in the video, they loved it, right? As soon as they hit that pocket, that pause, just check up on it, and they... So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time we'll be back out here. We're just waiting for it to fire up, and I don't know. Maybe next I'll bring the boat out. I think it's time. Is it? I don't know. Let me know. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.